Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Semrush for affiliate SEO audits, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the official Semrush website. Create an account if you don't have one already. Choose the appropriate plan that suits your needs. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the user dashboard. Navigate to the SEO audit tool within the dashboard. Select the project you want to analyze. If you haven't created a project yet, click on Create Project and enter your domain details. After setting up the project, locate the Site Audit feature. Set up the crawl settings based on your site structure. Adjust the parameters to include subdomains or specific sections of your site if necessary. Click on Start Site Audit to initiate the process. Wait for the audit to complete. This may take a few minutes. Once finished, review the overall health score of your website. Analyze the critical issues highlighted in the audit results. Navigate through categories such as technical SEO, on-page SEO, and off-page SEO. For each issue, take note of the recommendations provided. Prioritize fixing high-severity issues first. Implement the suggested changes on your website's backend. Using the Semrush SEO toolkit, track your progress and improvements. Consider running a follow-up audit after making the changes. Use the insights gained from the audit to inform your future SEO strategies. Share the audit results with your team or clients for further collaboration. Continue to monitor your site's performance regularly for ongoing optimization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.